What's up, everyone? Evan here. Just driving out to get a little sunset winging session in on my stuff in the back. Never really start the GoPro in the car. I've been thinking for a little bit about making a YouTube channel, just because I'm making videos and all these edits, only for them to end up on Instagram for 60 seconds and then no one sees them ever again, and I even forget about them. So for the sake of archiving them, I thought it might be pretty cool to check out the idea of making a YouTube. So we'll see. We're gonna head out to the spot, hopefully get a good session in, and perhaps this is the first of many epic videos that we could be making. Hell, even if it only gets 20, 50 views a video of my buddies getting to share some of the stoke on a weeknight in Dallas, it's plenty good for me. So stay tuned and we will see you at the spot. We're going to Lake Ray Hubbard today. It's on the east side of Dallas. Wind is pretty light. It's been hotter than heck all day. It is August, late August, so have that nice Texas heat. Kind of shuts off the wind and brings it back really randomly, all these weird tiny fronts coming through. But looked like it popped up, so we'll see what we can do. See you there. At the spot, Lake Ray Hubbard. Very light wind, but I'm gonna try to make it happen. Buddy Richard gonna go kite foiling. Get rigged up. Alright, spot, there's Chris. Here we go, see if we can get some. Pretty out here. Sunset. Money shot. Some fish. up, everyone? Evan back here with you again. Cruising down the highway in Dallas. It is a hot and sunny Friday here. Got in an awesome sunset session last night. Hopefully get some cool videos of that edited soon. But it is yet another day of bonus wind here in this crazy summer heat. It's a high of 100 today, but it's currently gusting up to like 22 last I checked. So we are gonna make our way out to Lake Grapevine, west of Dallas. Last night was at Lake Ray Hubbard at this spot called Windsurf Bay. It's a park, and during the summer they close it on the weekends because it gets so hectic with people. So they close it at noon on Fridays, so don't really have the option to even go on a Friday. Hence driving the extra 15 minutes out to Grapevine. And honestly, I kind of enjoy Grapevine a little more as far as the social side of sailing, going out here to probably do some winging and kite surfing, but there's always a bigger crowd, and that always makes it more fun when you're off the water, you know. And when it's so dang hot like this, you got to come in every 45 minutes to an hour and hydrate, or you're gonna pass out. But yeah, got a little drive ahead of us. Excited. Got the kite surfing equipment in the car and the wing foiling equipment. Hopefully we can do a little double dipping. Not sure what we're going to do yet. We'll get to the spot and check out what's going on. See if anyone else is out. See what the conditions are like. If they're more conducive to hopping out there and waiting around on some gusts to go winging, then we'll do that. If it seems pretty steady and strong enough to go kiting, then I kind of want to do that. Get some boosts in and just have a good time. So that is the plan. Don't know how long we're going to be out here for. Have no strict deadline to get back into town, so we'll just play it by ear, and we will catch you at the spot. Right on. All right, so we are pulling into Rockledge Park right now. Take this thing off. This is actually the first place I ever kited in Dallas. Pulling in. Yeah, no, it's, I guess, kind of the OG spot for me. And it's looking pretty good right now. I'm seeing some whitecaps out there. Funny thing about this lake is it's not a very far reach across the lake. Not really sure if you can see it or not, but there's, I mean, it's only a mile across or so, and there's some pretty big buildings on the other side, which cause some weird holy wind sometimes if it's straight out of the south. And I can see that right now. I can see all the different dark spots on the water where the wind's blowing hard, and then the calmer spots. So a bit holy, but it's good. It's a lot more conducive to winging than kiting, or at least twin tipping, because if you get stuck in those puffs or in the holes on your foil, you just coast through it till you get to the next one, versus being on twin tip and your kite falls out of the sky. Anyways, yeah, this is a spot. Here's all the stuff we're loaded down, the traveling circus, as I like to call it. Sit here for a minute and try to figure out if we're gonna go winging or kiting. I don't really know. So yeah, stay tuned for some action. a couple times. I think that means it is time to switch to the wing. So we'll see you here in about 30 minutes, I guess. Try to go wing. Got like one very mediocre jump in. I guess anything's bonus in the summer, so cool. Alright, kiting was a pretty big failure after getting out there and the wind going from about 20 to 5 every 3 minutes, so it's a little better for winging. So we're gonna go get out there. Got some good puffs, should be plenty to get on foil and cruise around, so let's get it. Can't even use the wing to balance. Come on. Give me something. Here we go. Woo! Workout. Time to put the GoPro away and just go have fun. Check in later. Yeah. All right. We are, I think, done for the day. I think it's like 101 and the wind is muy light. Very, very light. Like 4 to 12 now, so we're milking every tiny bit to get onto foil. Lasts like hours. More work than play sometimes, but all good. We're sitting here in the shade of the car, tiny sliver of shade, about to get to unrigging this puppy. Fun little Friday action. We go get out of this swimsuit, drink an ice cold beer, I think, and enjoy the rest of my evening. Doesn't look like any wind in the foreseeable future, so I don't know, we'll just check in with you next time. See ya. You. What is up? Joining me on a bike ride Sunday morning. Finishing up a fun week of riding and sailing. It's kind of spinning out the legs from all the action yesterday. Went on a 30-mile ride in the morning and then sailed for like 5 hours. So it was a full day. Can definitely feel it, but no better way to fix the system than to get a little sweat going. So yeah, cruising. Hey guys, if you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you watching. It was a lot of fun making this. It was the first time I've ever made a long format video, and I got my eyes opened as to how much work it actually is to just cut and edit all this footage. Gained a lot of respect for the people that do it on a weekly basis. It's definitely no menial task. But I enjoyed it. It was great, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching some of the footage because it's fun making it. It's fun, obviously, riding, surfing, biking, all that. And this is just kind of me adding another element of fun to it. Yeah, I hope to make some more of these in the future. I'm going to try to not make them monotonous, because once you see me kind of just riding on a foil across Lake Grapevine, Lake Ray Hubbard, with concrete buildings around the perimeter, and you've kind of seen it several times. Once you've seen one light wind kite session, you've seen it 100 times. So maybe bring some new footage to you with more wind. Go down to the coast to Corpus Christi, get out in the waves and some real wind. That'd be awesome. Riding my bike elsewhere at Lake Washita when we're behind the boat, surfing, foiling. Hope to keep this going. If you enjoyed it a little bit or a lot of it, feel free to like, subscribe. For all my friends and family out there, what's up? Yeah, we'll see you on the next one. So thanks a lot.